gotta throw up.
It wouldn't happen.
If you throw up, throw into the mic.
If it wouldn't happen, it would happen afterwards.
It's good production value.
I want to get my face just
Attention astronaut
We
candidates.
spin that
You
way.
have selected
then,
Orange
you're good to
Team
go.
More Intense Training. If you are prone to motion sickness or made uncomfortable by enclosed dark
it's just
spaces,
like you do now.
simulators, or spinning,
On Earth.
you may exit the flight training area now. Ask a uniformed crew member for directions to the Green Team Less Intense Training Area.
We're ready.
Once the video finishes, we're following the red pad down.
Boy.
So you weren't kidding about the spinning.
No. Why would I be kidding about it?
Because you don't want to take you serious.
Well, that's fine.
Congratulations, team.
It was okay.
You have been selected to train for a mission to
It
Mars.
was like 20 years ago.
Teams are awaiting your arrival at the landing site here at Ballas Marineris. Your mission is to get to that landing site. Your flight path to Mars will take you around the moon for a lunar gravity assist. But even with that slingshot, your trip will take 3 months. So we'll have to put you into hypersleep.
What?
Hypersleep activated. Don't worry, it'll only seem like a second or two to you. I'll give you a wake-up call when you get to Mars.
Yeah, we get to sleep.
Okay, now listen up. Here are your assignments.
She's gonna
Navigate.
wake us up 10
You'll
minutes
fire
later.
the thrusters for lunar orbit insertion
That's you.
and for descent to
You
the surface
navigator.
of Mars. Pilot, on my signal,
the pilot?
I'll need you to trigger the second stage rocket. You'll also deploy the shields.
Oh, jeez.
Commander,
Yeah, shields.
you will be responsible
the
for
commander.
first stage separation
We're in
and
good hands.
activating manual
Don't
control.
worry, guys, I got this.
I gotta be the
Engineer,
commander.
when it's bedtime, you will activate.
I'm also the engineer.
You will also
You're
extend
the
the
engineer
laser.
and the other one.
Don't worry. When it's
Don't
time
worry, I
to
have
push the
my foot in
buttons, they
both
will
doors.
light
You're the
up.
pilot?
Then I'll give you the go.
Yeah.
One last thing.
And I'm the commander.
In the event of an emergency landing,
You're the
there are
navigator.
control sticks at every crew
Was that-
position.
You're the navigator.
I'm the commander.
Okay,
You're the
Lieutenant.
navigator and the
Any
engineer.
final instructions for our new kids?
When the flight bay doors open, follow the markings on the floor to your capsule. Then move all the way across, taking your crew position in the cockpit, and stow all personal items in the compartment in front of you.
Nice.
Then reach up and pull down your restraint.
Oh,
Now listen carefully. Leaning forward, closing your eyes, or looking left or right during your flight could disorient you.
Don't close
So
your
keep
eyes.
your head back against the headrest. Keep your eyes open at all times, and focus straight ahead, even if you start to feel disoriented. They're all yours, Capcom.
That way, if you,
Well, I
if
guess
you
that's
throw up, you
everything.
swallow it and you
Good
choke
luck,
yourself.
Mars team.
Okay.
You are on the clock.
Okay. This will be fun.
Follow
You're
the
gonna be able to
markings
follow
on the
the
floor.
Training.
I got it. I have a long range.
on the floor to your extra training. Moving forward.
You're okay.
Oh, it's gonna come in.
During the mission, you will be
Seriously, gonna be a
initiating
pilot?
lunar orbit
Oh, I
and descent.
suck at navigating.
Let's move on your restraint. You guys ready?
Sure.
Pilot, the X2 is in
Oh, it's coming in.
Override, override, override! Oh my guys, I got them both. I can hit the buttons.
Surgeon, how are we doing?
I have no idea
All
what's going
good
on.
for launch.
I'm gonna get a nice face view.
Commander,
of my face.
just remember your assignments.
I don't remember.
First stage separation and manual control.
Right, I know that one.
Loading flight plan.
No.
Engineer, just a reminder, you will activate hypersleep and extend the wings.
Oh, you got it.
Where's the wings? I'm hoping this is, yeah, that's extended wings.
Let's see what we got here.
No, I gotta get us there.
Well, I think you're actually flying.
No, I'm the navigator.
No, I'm the pilot.
No, he's the pilot. You're the navigator.
I got this joystick here. We all have joysticks.
We do.
I feel like this is kind of a scam.
Radar.
It's like, I don't think we're going to Mars.
I don't think they're choosing us. At least they give you good air.
Antenna position.
Air ventilation.
Check.
It does feel nice and cool.
Turn everything
Yeah.
off. We're not gonna get there.
Center, right,
This
left.
button like this, this,
Oh,
this,
do this down, up, down, right,
that,
left,
boom,
up,
left,
I
down.
can't even
here.
see what this is.
Oh man.
Shut all these off, guys.
What if I hit this button down here? What does that do?
I don't know.
Turn all these
Crashes
buttons.
us.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Okay.
I wonder if they're gonna be like, dude, with the stick.
We're gonna
in
put our
his hand."
velocity on high, guys.
What? No.
We're gonna do super low temperatures.
Engine strength.
Ooh, that did turn it down a little bit. I think.
Did it really?
Yeah, I think it did.
Chemical. And I have no idea what these system 2 are.
I don't know, Dad. It's like kind of complicated, huh?
Some kind of complicated.
I wonder how many people. I wonder how many people puked in this seat right here.
Good luck, team. All of us here at Mission Control are proud to be a part of this historic liftoff.
Oh jeez.
We gotta have G-forces taking off.
We're going up.
We gotta take off here. G-forces.
I think we're actually going upside down right now. Oh no.
We have main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff.
Let's go.
Oh, I feel the G's.
Whoa!
Yeah! Oh, my face is going backwards.
Crazy.
Throttle up, guys, faster!
Don't crash us, pilot.
What am I?
I'm initiating!
Okay.
Zero G.
Guys, I'm feeling nervous. Now we get to feel like we don't feel like we're
You're looking good, team.
I love that launch.
Pilot, engage second stage rocket.
This button right here.
button,
This
this
okay,
thing.
I did it. I hit the button.
No, it was overriding. You too late.
Oh shoot.
Earth orbit. Velocity 15,000. 16,000.
You should have visual of the space station now, and you are on course for your slingshot around the moon.
That looks like not a safe trajectory.
Navigator, fire rockets for lunar orbit insertion. Now.
I love the G-force feeling. It's so good.
Beautiful sight, isn't it? Something to dream about on the way to Mars. Engineer, activate hypersleep.
Go to sleep, guys.
And good night.
Duration 3 months. Monitoring.
You gotta put us to sleep, Toddy.
Already did.
Okay, thank you.
Rise and shine.
Oh no! What happened?
Beginning evasive.
What's going on?
Come
Pilot, get us out of here.
Mars landing site.
Okay.
Proximity alert.
Okay, what am I doing?
Deploy the shield. Now.
Left.
Shield deployed.
Yes, I did it.
We're ready for deorbit burn.
Oh no.
Navigator, fire rockets for descent. Now.
Rocket fired.
Whoa!
I'm getting nauseous.
200 miles to
Just look straight ahead, Dad.
Extend wings for gliding.
My
Now.
goodness.
It's so fun.
We lost autopilot.
No!
Commander, activate manual control. Now.
I'm
All right.
flying it. I'm flying it. I'm going down.
All hands on the control stick. Pull back.
Go back.
Pull back! Pull back! Do it! Ah!
Left. Pull
Left! Left!
Once again, you hold.
Left!
Now right.
Right!
Ease it left.
Is it my left or your left?
You're
Back to
stage
center.
left.
Just hold it steady.
Runway ends in 1,000 feet. 200.
Watch the barrier.
8 feet.
Pull back. Hang on.
No!
Oh boy.
Down and clear.
We're not clear, we're on a cliff.
Location Canyon Edge.
Oh boy.
Ah! No!
Oh.
Move a muscle.
Ah!
Good work, team.
We
You made
did
the
it.
landing site.
How do we get out?
And welcome to the astronaut.
That's one and done on that.
That's pretty sick.
I got, yep.
Okay, head back,
Oh.
releasing restraints.
Oh my god.
Now push the restraints up.
There's a throw
Be sure
back
to
here.
gather
Yeah,
all
take
your
one, just
belongings
take one,
and follow me.
Wow. Bro. Bro, what just happened?
I love that feeling of the G-force. You like go to raise your hands, you feel the extra weight.
Yeah,
It's so
whoa.
fun.
Wow.
I could do that all day.
Whoa, my head is ringing.
That was nuts.
Here you go.
Oh my god.
The souvenir from the ride.
I was getting nauseous in there.
The souvenir for your ride. It's your lunch.
It's the barf bag.
My breakfast would be
Hey, at least we ate all that shaved ice.
That is
coming
intense.
out.
That is really intense.
I love that feeling.
corridor to the turbo lift.
Pilot Juliet,